In this video, let me show you how to add a contact page where when somebody, if ever they want to contact, drop an inquiry, it comes to you. So it will actually come to the email which you have given here, right? So it comes to Gmail. So I'm going to put you what plugin you need to put to get that, right? So you go here and it's called the Contact 7. Yeah, look for this plugin. Very easy, just a Contact Form 7. Install it and just activate it. It's active. So let's go to that plugin setting. Scroll down and then I'll copy this one, right? So I want to get this code you saw. I just like copy that code, Control C, and then I'll go to create add new page. And then I'll just create a contact page, really. And then I can write a wording about please contact me via the form. And just drop the form. You don't even have to have a word if you don't want. And then of course, if when you're sharing this page to get it, like you can put it. So the thing, you know, like the featured image and things like that, and not the page form. So I will just really on the page, the meta description is only gonna be this one, and this on page part, you know that I was just showing you only about creating a contact page. And then you go to menus because you want that contact to showcase on your menu, right? And then what I do, I will create a main menu because I think this already had one, but let me create and actually see. Right, I will create a main menu, and even I'll create. I want to see how actually this menu can, because I saw this blog already had the home showing somewhere, so maybe I might have to go to the home editor. Then we go to the home page of the site. Yeah, it's all good, you know. Have a nice contact form. Anybody who want to get in touch with you can just literally get in touch. You can, I would say, write something, whatever you want to feel and the stuff and all. And now you got a home. You got a contact form. You can add the even categories. I'll show you how you can actually add some categories to showcase on the top, right? Which is you can add some of these categories, love and personal, to showcase on your menu if you ever want. If you don't want, you just click here, you just remove it, right? I'm just adding to that you see how you can reach the showcase. So like it looks really good, you know. You can have landing pages, you can have different things. So your blog is coming really well. And this blog is going to be pretty big. I can see nice stories and interesting stuff. And all the best for you, Whistler.